ghetto. The ghetto. Kenya, if you got a dog in there, you better put it up.
You have seen Velvet 100 times.
She sounds like she's a Doberman.
Oh, look at you.
Hi. Oh, you dressed all show. Where you live, bitch?
You look good.
What is this, honey?
I had to move out of Kanye's house of horrors, so I thought this was the best option for me on a short notice. This is not where I live. This is my.
This is where you live, honey. Let me see what's going on. Oh, Velvet, show me around. Oh, let me see. I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost. And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home, honey. Ooh, Lord.